Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you a brief run through of how to use the app iExcel. Now I know what you're thinking, right when you get into it, there is a lot of information on this app. Where do I even start? Not to worry, I'm going to guide you right through it. You just got to bear with me. So there are many grade levels that can use this app, but today I'm going to be showing you how to use it as a third grader, specifically for math. I hope I'm talking about you sitting right there. This app is going to help you practice and strengthen your skills on what you are learning in the classroom, so hopefully it won't be new information and that you are somewhat familiar with it. This app focuses on many subjects including math, science, social studies, and Spanish. However, your teacher or parent might only have you use this app for one specific subject. Before using the app, hopefully your teacher already or will give you a login username and password. This is your information to track your progress, so make sure to keep it in a safe place or memorize it. My teacher gave me a username and password, so I'm going to show you where to do it. Right at the top, right when you get into the app, you see the username and password, and I'm going to put in mine, and you should put in yours. I'm going to Anna 402, and then my password. And then I'm going to click Remember Me and sign in. Now the first time you log in, your teacher is probably going to ask you to take a test. This won't count as a grade, so don't worry. This test is just going to show your teacher what you know and what you might struggle with. It's going to help your teacher help you strengthen those struggle spots. So once you log in, you're going to click on Diagnostic up here. And I'm going to click on Step into the Arena. Now since we're doing math, it's going to give you a couple of questions, and you're going to answer each of them as best as you can, and you're going to put in your answer in the boxes and then click Submit, and then it'll take you to the next question. Now on the diagnostic, you are able to skip questions because maybe you just didn't learn them or you don't know, and you can click on I don't know this yet, and that's okay. Now once you completed the test, you're ready to practice. So I'm going to go back to learning. After class each day, your teacher or parent will tell you which lesson you need to work on. So let's say I worked on multiplication today in math class, but only how to multiply by the numbers 0 and 1. At the end of class, my teacher might tell me and write on the board to work on F1 and F2 for homework. And she wants my score up to 100 for it to be done. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click on math. And then I'm in third grade. And I'm going to go down. She said F1 and 2. A, B, C, D, E. Here we have the F multiplication skill builders. And then 1 and 2 multiply by 0 and 1. I'm going to click on multiply by 1. So it's going to give you questions. And once you answer them, let's say 7 times 1, I'm going to put 7. And I'm going to click Submit. And it says correct. So as you can see over here, it says I answered 2 questions. I answered 1 just now, and that my SMART score went up to a 19. So every time you answer something right, your SMART score is going to go up. And I want my SMART score to go up to 100, but I can answer as many questions as I need for my SMART score to get to 100. And if you get a question wrong, so let's say 1 times 3, I'm going to put 10. And click Submit. See, my SMART score went down to a 17, but it's going to tell you how to do it. So if you struggle, while you're answering the question, you can click on Help and it'll give you an example, or if you already got it wrong, it'll give you an explanation of how to do better next time. So this is how you answer the questions. You also get awards over here. So if you answer a certain amount of questions or do well on specific lessons, you'll receive awards. Right here, it shows everything you've done. Your awards will pop up in these little squares once you've earned them. Now I don't know about you, but I would want to fill out all of them as fast as I can. And I like how you can't see them until you earn them. I hope this helped you out a little to make this app a little less overwhelming. Make sure that you keep up with your work so you can earn as many awards as you can. Good luck.